ፈተናዬ ቢበዛብኝ የሐዘኔ ማብቂያው ቢረግም አምላክ ባንተ ታሪክ ይሆናል የደስታ ቀን ለኔም ይመጣል። አንተ አትሳሳትም በሥራ ፍጹምና መልካም አባት ነህ። እስከሚሆን ድረስ ተራዬ እጠብቅሃለሁ ጌታዬ። የተሻለ ነገር አስብልኝ ነው ፈተናው የበዛ ነገ መልካም ያለው በዚህም አምናለሁ።
It is also believed that he lived an extremely long life. Traditions say over 300 years, spending most of it in prayer and serving God away from society. Many miracles are attributed to him, and people came from far places seeking his blessing and prayers. He is remembered for deep prayer and fasting, love for animals and nature, miracles and healing, a life completely dedicated to God. Today, Abune Gevra Menfez Kaitis is honored as a great saint in Ethiopia, and many churches are named after him. His feast day is celebrated with prayer, songs, and remembrance of his holy life.